Yeah, hello everybody. It's another time on Bake and Fry, your favorite program. And today we are going to be working on puff puff. Yes, I know every one of us loves puff puff. It's what you can take as a breakfast, you can take it as snack, and your kids can take to school. But today we are going to work on a very light one. And here we are having our flour, we have yeast, we have our butter and nutmeg to add to it. Also, we're going to add the salt and water. You mix your dry ingredients together. Then while mixing, make sure you break in your butter very well into the flour. You add your water. You mix thoroughly to get a smooth paste. Make sure you mix well. Any dough that consists yeast need a good kneading, so you knead well your puff puff in the bowl. After this, you cover up to rise for 45 minutes. Now, as you can see, our puff puff dough is ready for frying. You put little oil in a pot or a good fry pan, deep one. You make sure you add a lot of groundnut oil for your puff puff to float on the groundnut oil. Now we're frying. Yes, our puff puff is ready. I would like to add some things to repeat. You can also spice your puff puff up with onions and pepper. There are some people that love adding chocolate. We have chocolate puff puff. But for you to watch more on this other recipes on our puff puff, you need to subscribe more on our YouTube channel and also click on our notification button to watch more of our videos. Thank you. Thank you for always watching Bake and Fry. I still remain your anchor, Praise Bakes. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.